Hi there! Check out the Relaxdays 36-piece cookie cutter set featuring letters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9. These stainless steel cutters are perfect for creating personalized cookies with names, messages, or special dates. Use the letter cutters for custom greetings on birthdays, holidays, or celebrations all year round. The number cutters add a fun touch for birthdays, anniversaries, or New Year's Eve treats. Made from durable, food-safe stainless steel, these cutters ensure clean, precise shapes every time. Whether for baking with kids or decorating festive cookies, this set makes your creations stand out. Enjoy endless creative possibilities with this versatile and high-quality cookie cutter set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.